Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have x squared y squared over xy. They are degrees number 2 divided by degrees number 2. So this is about homogeneous, and I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so we have dv over dx multiplied by x. This one we have number 1, so we just have only v. And this is about the product proof of derivative. So why we need to change by vx. And this one that is about this one, so we need to change this one into this one. Now this one we have v squared s squared. This one we have vs squared. Now we need to simplify s squared on numerator and denominator. So v I will put on the right. Now we can do common denominator. So negative v squared, we have number 2 in here. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the x and x go to the right. Now we put the integration for the both sides. So for this one, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 minus 2v squared. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 2v. Because we don't have negative number 4, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 4. This one we change by u. V dv we change by du over negative number 4. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Next, we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one, we have Ln of the absolute value of x, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one, so we need to divide both sides by x, and we need to change v into this one. Now we have the condition in here. when s equals to number 1, y equals to number 2. So we put number 1 and number 2 cone here. So Fn number 1, that is about number 0. This one, that is about number 3. So we go back in here. So I will put this one gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.